knob of kids. Such a pain in the keister.
Should be a big night for drunk and disorderly.
Sheriff Carter.
Who's the sexiest sheriff in all of Greenbrier County?
I'm the only sheriff in Greenbrier County.
Still doesn't mean you're not sexy. Hey, I just blew off the second shift. I'm headed home.
That's good. Junior's buying a new rifle for your hunt this weekend.
Tell him it won't make him a better shot.
Yeah, I already did.
I'm gonna fix some lasagna tonight for dinner. I'll stop by and bring you some?
That would be great. But call first. It's gonna be a busy night.
I may head down to the fairgrounds at festival.
Then I'll bring it to you there. I'll call you later. Bye, honey.
Okay, bye, honey.
There's supposed to be about 20 bands there tonight.
Oh, who's playing?
The Cheetah Horse.
Oh, who are they?
All-girl band. Freaking awesome.
Gus's favorite band. Well, if they're so awesome, why haven't I heard of them?
I guess you're from the West Coast. They don't play there.
When are you gonna go back, by the way? June, but just for a month to see my parents. Billy is coming with me.
Yeah.
Nice.
We are gonna have an epic time.
Meeting the folks, Billy. It's getting pretty serious.
Me? Serious never.
Look out!
Is everyone okay? Is anybody hurt?
Yeah. I'm all right.
We're okay.
Where did he come from?
Did we hit him?
I'm not sure. Well, we should see if he's dead.
You guys, stay here. God, I didn't see him in the rain.
Yeah, I think he's dead.
But I didn't hit him.
You must have.
Fuck you!
He stabbed
Put your hands on your head now! Don't you move! Turn around and walk towards me! Slowly! Go! I want everyone to wait together by your vehicle. Biggs?
I've got him, Sheriff.
Don't you move.